Accessing the ready-made resources is the quickest way to get started with Widgit Online. Here you have access to over 450 ready-made resource packs created by our experienced educators. Have a browse and install all resources you think may be useful to your colleagues. This will help save time and gives everyone access to ready-made resources they can start using straight away. Simply select Resources on the toolbar. Here you will see all resource packs are organised by category. Click on a category to view all the packs included. To find out more about a resource pack, click on More Information. And here you'll see how the pack has been put together, the contents, and screenshots that give examples of some of the resources included. I'm going to close this tab and let's have a quick look through the other categories. We've got social, emotional and mental health, literacy and language, popular topics, and new to English, English as an additional language. To install a resource pack, just select Install Resource Pack. You can then choose where you would like to install My Documents, which only you'll be able to access, or Shared Folders, so everyone in your account has access to this, and Install. I'll now view this folder. And here we can see our resource pack's been installed in our shared folders, so everyone in the account can access this.